See how khutbah is important? See why you students must learn to give the khutbah? That's why we have a bunch of students here who learn to give khutbah. We have a purpose for everything. We don't just do things here, monkey see, monkey do, without a reason. I know I'm always, people think that sometimes we just do things by the way, and we don't follow other masjids, we don't follow other organizations. And you ask people who know us for years, we always do things different, in line with Quran and Sunnah. People criticize you, and then they can come and continue the same thing you do. That's why, alhamdulillah, 63 years, if we die here tomorrow, we have a dozen students here who can give khutbah. There are some masjids, if the imam dies, they don't have nobody in the Shura Council board, on the executive board to give a khutbah. All they know is the politics and money. They have to look to import an imam to give a khutbah. And the masjid is worth $10 million, and the property is worth $40 million, and they got all the millions of dollars, and they don't have nobody that was blessed with a gift to do that. Because they did not concentrate on the ilm and the hikmah and the da'wah that the Quran tells us about. They concentrated on chandeliers and buildings and properties. That's why we have never supported the idea. We believe to produce what the Quran tells us. Has a reason for that. Has a reason for that. There are people who sometimes say, why they don't put up minarets and dome on Darul Uloom? Say, you know what, you guys could do that. My agenda is to teach what the Quran and the Sunnah say. Leave behind inheritors who will continue the teaching of the Quran and the Sunnah. That's our agenda.